Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to Emirates Skywards. First, sign up for a free Emirates Skywards account at emirates.com if you don't already have one. Log in to your American Express account and go to the rewards or transfer points section. Look for Emirates Skywards in the list of transfer partners and select it. You may need to log in to your Skywards account again to link it with your Amex account. Choose how many points you want to transfer, usually in increments of 1,000, and follow the on-screen steps to confirm. Don't forget, transfer times may vary and transfers can be reversed, so double check everything before confirming. And that's it. That's how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to Emirates Skywards. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.